In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the chat embed URL in Restream and set it up as a chat overlay in OBS. This will be an incredibly useful tool for those of you who want to create engaging live streams by displaying chat messages on screen, allowing your audience to feel more connected and involved in the conversation as it unfolds. First, let's begin by logging into your Restream account. Once you're in, navigate to the Chat or Chat Settings section, where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your chat features. What you're looking for is the tab labeled Embed in Stream, or something similar. This tab is your gateway to embedding the chat onto your stream, making it visible to your viewers in real time. Now, you have some choices to make regarding which chat you'd like to embed. Restream offers options such as all platforms, Twitch only, or specific settings for a particular event. Selecting the right one depends on your streaming needs and which audience you wish to highlight. Now comes the creative part, customizing the appearance of your embedded chat to match your stream's theme. Restream allows you to adjust the theme, alignment, opacity, and size. This customization ensures that the chat not only complements your overall stream design, but also remains readable for your audience. With everything set up to your liking, you'll see a URL or an embed code provided by Restream. Go ahead and copy this link as it will be crucial in the next phase of the setup within OBS Studio. Moving on to OBS Studio, you'll want to add this chat overlay as a browser source. Start by opening OBS and selecting the scene where you want your chat overlay to be displayed. In the Sources panel, locate and click the plus button, then choose Browser or Browser Source, depending on the version you're using. You'll then be prompted for source settings. This is your chance to provide a name for this source, such as Restream Chat Overlay. Paste the URL you copied earlier from Restream into the URL field. Decide on dimensions that will best suit your layout, perhaps a width of 300 pixels and a height of 600 pixels. These sizes are just examples. Feel free to adjust as necessary to fit your specific scene layout. Take a moment to review any additional settings that might enhance your streaming experience, like automatic refresh when the scene becomes active. Once you're satisfied, click OK to add the source. The final steps involve positioning and styling the chat overlay within OBS's preview window. Move it around so it complements your screen setup, perhaps on the side or above your webcam. Resize the box to ensure it doesn't cover critical content, like gameplay or your face cam. If you've made any customizations to the chat in Restream, you may need to refresh the browser source in OBS to see these changes come through. With these steps completed, you now have a chat overlay beautifully set within your live stream, ready to engage your audience from the get-go.